Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a window motor in your Infiniti G35. First, ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface and the ignition is completely off for safety. You'll need to gather a few basic tools before starting this repair. This process involves carefully removing the door panel and then accessing the motor assembly. We'll guide you through each step to ensure a smooth and successful repair, helping you restore full window functionality. Before we begin, let's talk about the essential tools and crucial safety measures. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a specialized trim panel removal tool, and a 10mm socket wrench. Always disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery to prevent any accidental electrical shorts. Safety glasses and durable gloves are also highly recommended to protect yourself throughout the entire process. Now, let's get to the core task of removing the old motor. Start by gently prying off any interior door panel trim pieces, then unscrewing all visible fasteners. Use your trim removal tool to carefully detach the main door panel without causing damage. Once the panel is off, disconnect the electrical connector from the window motor. Finally, unbolt the motor from the window regulator assembly, which typically involves 3 or 4 bolts. With the old motor successfully out, it's time to install the brand new one. Carefully align the new motor with the window regulator and secure it firmly with the bolts you removed earlier. Reconnect the electrical connector to ensure proper power supply. Before putting the door panel back on, reconnect your car's battery and thoroughly test the window's up and down function. Ensure it operates smoothly and fully before reassembling the door panel completely.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.